Terra Classic validator proposes unique burn mechanism to revive Lunc to $1. And what's next for Lunc? These questions and more news we will discuss in today's video. Welcome to CryptoWhale. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. So if you're interested in everything around Terra Classic, this is the place for you. As usual, let's start with the price analysis of Lunc token. On the 5-day chart, the situation has not changed dramatically, and the LNC token is still trading at the price of 0.30's $1,813. Also on the chart, we can see that since yesterday evening an uptrend started to form, we can see its support line, and above it, there is a resistance level. As we know, corrections occur due to profit taking. That is the last pullbacks that we see on the chart are necessary for the continuation of the uptrend. They provide an opportunity for detached investors to enter the market, thus helping to create momentum for the next move. For now, Terra Classic is buoyant above support at 0.30's $18, but facing resistance from the 50 exponential moving average at 0.30's $1,818 and the 21 EMA at 0.30's $1,933. And if we move to the 4-hour chart, we see a bullish flag pattern that shows that a breakout could follow the ongoing consolidation and take Lunc to around 0.30's $25. This pattern often occurs after a major uptrend and allows the bulls to take a break before aiming for another breakout. So what about the unique burn mechanism to revive Lunc to $1? Terra Luna Classic community burns massive amounts of Lunc tokens to reduce the supply and revive the ecosystem. One of the top validators submitted a proposal to improve the recently implemented dynamic minimum commission mechanism for validators. It asserts burning Lunc tokens by top validators from the extra commission they earn following DynCom. Lunanaut's validator submitted a proposal for discussion on the Commonwealth Forum, aiming to improve DynCom for burn and Oracle pool. However, the validator admits that the proposal still needs work and a formula to tweak the DynCom. These adjustments aim to maintain fairness among validators of different sizes, promote a balanced distribution of additional commission sets, and incorporate governance input for ongoing optimization. Implementing these suggestions can contribute to a more robust and equitable dynamic minimum commission system, said the validator. The validator suggests changes in validator size neutrality to prevent larger validators from disproportionately benefiting. In addition, distribute the extra DynCom sets to burn, Oracle pool, and community pool in a 50-25-25 manner. Governance input on allocation parameters and regular evaluation of allocation mechanism for top validators. Lunanaut cited that all nodes wanted a 10% commission, but the dynamic minimum commission increased it to 20%. Why not send the extra 10% to burn and Oracle pool? Lunc and USTC prices remain under selling pressure amid the broader crypto market. Investors continue profit booking due to low trading volumes in the last few days. However, the community is optimistic about an upcoming recovery. Lunc price fell 8% in the last 24 hours, with the price currently trading at $0.30's $17. The 24-hour low and high are $0.30's $175 and $0.30's $214 respectively. However, trading volume has increased by 16% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, USTC price trades at $0.0407, down 7%. The 24-hour low and high are $0.0412 and $0.0512, respectively. The trading volume has increased by 100% in the past 24 hours. Now let's talk about how Google Bard weighs in on potential Terra Classic price surge in 2024. Though the current market sentiment has weighed down Lunc, it is still relatively in a good place per its year-to-date gains. While the token is trading at $0.30's $175, down by 7.62%, and 29.59% in the past 24 hours and 7-day days, its monthly gain of 112% negates this negative outlook. When we asked the AI chatbot what it thinks of Lunc's price by the end of 2024, it noted how tough it will be to speculate on the asset's price, considering its volatility. However, the AI chatbot now focuses on expert opinion and the current market condition to forecast a minimum, maximum, and average price for the asset. According to Bard, Lunc will end this month at an average price of $2.89. From here, the chatbot sees Lunc printing a minimum price of $2.37 with a possible peak price of $3.41. The chatbot said the token could rise as high as $14.96 by 2024. Notably, the speculative nature of digital currencies makes anything possible. Still, the chances that Lunc will surmount all odds to hit the minimum price which represents a 1,352,639.73% surge, is hard to imagine with barely 3 weeks to the end of the year. While Bard's prediction hinges on key factors like the potential adoption by members of the Lunc community and sentiments in the broader market, the seemingly unrealistic projection shows the flawed nature of some experimental AI models in general. As part of the projection, Google Bard labeled technical developments and upgrades as one of the key catalysts that might impact the growth of Lunc in the long term. Since its implosion in mid-2022, the effort to revive the protocol remains the top agenda by the developers of Lunc. Recently, the community passed a proposal to resolve the sequence mismatch issues and boost validator functionalities. Beyond these upgrades, Lunc also undergoes intensive burning to reduce its supply, a feature that may ultimately impact price in the long term. And now let's talk about the reasons why Terra Classic price could explode 38% this week. The Terra Classic community backed the breakout toward the end of November as they celebrated the passing of a proposal aimed at helping the ecosystem tokens, Lunc and Terra Classic USD, to reclaim their former glory before the Luna crash in May 2022. This bullish outlook propelled Lunc from lows around $0.407 to highs marginally above $0.407, making the 63rd largest crypto attractive to traders and investors who envisioned a larger breakout to $1. However, as is common with markets, especially during bull runs, corrections occur due to profit taking. The same pullbacks are necessary for the uptrend's continuation. They present opportunities for sidelined investors to enter the market, thus helping to build the momentum for the next move. For now, Terra Classic is buoyant above support at $0.3018, but facing resistance from the 50 exponential moving average at $0.301818 and the 21 EMA at $0.301933. A bull flag pattern on the 4-hour chart reveals that a breakout may follow the ongoing consolidation and blast Lunc 38% to highs around $0.3025. This pattern often occurs after a major uptrend and allows bulls to take a breather before pushing for another breakout. A breakout is anticipated after Terra Classic has defeated resistance at the flag's upper trend line. The trading volume must rise in tandem to provide the liquidity and momentum to back the breakout. Therefore, if Lunc follows through with the bull flag, investors could get an early Christmas gift, which may continue in the new year, and support gains above $0.303. Bears are still in control based on the outlook from the Relative Strength Index, which holds at 40 after rising to 94 in early December. Since Lunc is not oversold yet, declines may continue and possibly bounce back at $0.30's $15 ahead of the next breakout. So how do you think this unique mechanism will help to revive Lunc to $1? Disclaimer: this video does not force you to buy any cryptocurrency or invest in anything. With this, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, let us know in the comments your views on the Lunc token, and make sure to turn on the post notifications to get notified every time we post a new video.